we will do this eyeshadow look and have some fun with it, because this is what we do here on this channel. We have fun. We take our palettes out. It doesn't have to be the same palette. Take it out, start playing with colors, and keep playing and playing. Some days it will look fabulous, and some days it will look not so fabulous, but either way, you're playing and learning and getting better, and that's all that matters. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. My name is V. Welcome to my channel, and I am still doing the Mcgrath Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette, and we are getting better and better every day. And that is what progress is about. Little steps at a time. Now we start. Eyes are prepped and ready to go. Take a look. This is pretty. Okay. This bronze is gorgeous. This color is gorgeous. Can you see? It is pretty. This color is so gorgeous. It is nice. Beautiful. This is what it looks like. Let me take this mirror. This is the color. I hope you can see how pretty it looks. This is called bronze, number 11. Now that I have the bronze on, this is the color for today, the bronze. I am going to show you how I can wear this eye color two different ways. I'm going to do this eye, darken the outer corner, and this eye I'm going to put something over the crease, above the crease, and we'll see how different they both will come out. I'm still in the same palette. I'm using whatever color is in the palette to deepen that corner. My right eye, which is your left, I am going to deepen the corner. And that's to show you the difference. If you want to just wear the one color alone, you're good. If you want to add something to it, so I'm going to show you how you can add something to the outer corner to change that eye look completely. The outer corner is darkened on this one, and this one is just regular. Can you see the difference? Regular one color eyeshadow on hooded eyes or on any eye, you can do one color. This is one color. I can fix that and make it and done. I can add and make the outer corner deeper and I'm done also. But you can change your color without going too bold. I try to make it simple because I'm a simple person. I love makeup and I want to keep it as simple but still pretty at the same time. So this is the outer corner. So again, my right, I deepen the outer corner. My left, nothing, just the one color so far. Another way you can wear this look is to add another color above the crease, which my crease is down here, but I have hooded eyes so you don't see it, so I go above. So you can add color right here to change the look. And this is what I'm doing right now. And you don't have to add a lot, and you just blow it up. You can blow it up into the brow bone. Now we just blend it so everything can match with the other color. Now I have on my left, which is your right, I took the color and I went above the crease and make a different look with this eye. And on my right, which is your left, I darken the corner to make a different look. So the main focus is our color number 11, which is bronze, but we're just wearing it two different ways to show you that you can do that with your eye shadow. Now I'll take a clean fluffy brush and I'll fix the edges over here. Now we have one color eyeshadow, which is the bronze, and we can use it two different ways. I am back with the complete look. Today's color is this one right here, bronze. This is what is on my eyes. I have bronze on my left eye, and I add a color, another color to show you how you can wear one color two ways. And that same color that I put over here, I took it and I darkened the corner right here. It's the same color to darken the corner. So you can wear, and I'm wearing it two different ways to show you that you can do the same. So this is what it looks like. And then I tie my hair this way, but I had to put it up so I can show you, but this is what I am liking. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous. I mean, in person this thing is like, yes. And The only new thing I use today is the soft focus effect flute finishing powder by Black Radiance. It looks like this. I am having fun over here. I hope you are having fun. Take your palette out, have a little bit of fun, take makeup, put it on. If you don't like it, you take it off, you put it back on. Anyways, please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bronze number 11. Color for today, makeup of the day, unhooded eyes is this. Wear it differently with the darkened corner or over the crease. You can make it work. I know you can. Check my playlist on exercise, hair care, makeup. Every day we are getting better and better. If you look at some of my videos, there were errors and mistakes, but I was having fun and I didn't care, and I post them anyways because that's just how it rolls over here. So do your stuff, be your bad self, and have fun with your makeup. And bye. Bye.